Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. And tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Arna Shukla. I'm 9 years old. I study in class 4. I study in a public school. I'm talking to you from Bhopal, the capital of MP. And I have a YouTube channel called The Anna. It's where I upload the conversational English videos. This is all about me.
Great, sounds good. Allow me to introduce myself, then we start further our discussion. My name is Mohammad Motiwala. I born and brought up in Gujarat, Diamond City, Surat. I completed BCA and I'm working in one of the IT company as a team leader of the website department. I'm holding 5 years of experience in website department, and nowadays I'm signing myself to improve myself in English conversation and fluency. That's why I am here and communicating with different YouTubers and co-learners.
Wow, that's really great. So I have one question.
Yes, please.
You mentioned that you had started your YouTube channel journey just yesterday.
Yes, yesterday itself I have started because I felt in my normal days of the life I am unable to invest my day time into learn English. Okay, therefore I felt I need to record my session with the solo videos as well as conversation videos, and after that I need to upload on my channel so I can check that when I get time, and after watching my videos I can also able to know my standard of the English communication.
Wow, that's really great. So, do you have any other questions?
Definitely. Even I have so many questions. As you said, you are 9 years old. So, very first, may I know how you learn this language and how you are easily able to communicate with the very fluently, as well as, if I'm not wrong, with the native speaker's accent.
How did I learn the language? You don't do any specific thing for this. I just follow some YouTubers, and especially for the accent, I also follow the YouTubers on YouTube, and and for the accent, I could follow some the tips and tongue twisters and some sounds. And also for my communication, as you know, I do conversations. I started to my conversation journey when last year when I was in class third.
Yeah, amazing. Sounds good. So you have completed any IELTS or any advanced courses or any particular exams for signing your speaking skill in the particular language?
No.
You have completed any particular IELTS courses for increase your English communication?
No.
Oh, great. So may I know what is your goal for creating your channel on your YouTube?
Can you please repeat? I don't get it.
Okay, so what is your goal to create the YouTube channel?
My goal is to create a YouTube channel.
Yeah, what is the purpose to create the channel?
Well, my purpose was
Why you have created your channel? Because I can see you are very much fluent, and if I'm not wrong, there are two purpose. People are creating the channel for the improving their self, or another thing is that improving other person English communication by teaching them. So what is your purpose?
the purpose was when I was 3 years old, my English was, so good that my parents made a YouTube channel for me because my YouTube channel was so good that I could teach others. So I think that's the second reason I have uploaded the YouTube channel, like you said.
Oh, sounds good. All right, great. By the way, may I know what kind of YouTube channels you are following for improving your knowledge in the English or particular things?
I follow some YouTubers like English with Lucy, English with Michael, and Smashing English. and pronunciation with Emma.
Amazing. Would you like to share any Indian YouTubers?
I don't get it.
Okay, let me repeat. Any Indian YouTuber channel name would you like to share?
I don't even know. Oh yes, I think I know now.
Understood. All right. Great. Sounds good. All right. Anything if you want to discuss with me, anything you can ask me.
Well, yes. Well, by the way, I do have some questions for you.
Yes, please.
Like, when did you start your English speaking journey, and how did you improve?
See, very first, as of now, I cannot give you the exact answer when I have started my speaking journey, because when I felt my English is quite low, so at that time I start to watch different YouTube channels and refer the articles and blogs. So to be very honest, exactly I cannot share that particular time and that particular my journey time, but when I felt now this is the time, like my efforts is not giving me the particular result, so that's why I have decided finally I need to start particular YouTube channel where I can create the videos, and both type of videos I can create, like conversation videos as well as solo videos, and then I will upload on my channel. So yesterday itself, as I said, my journey started on YouTube, because you know uh, all kind of a particular movement when I feel down, so I am looking for the motivation and watch particular channels. Okay, but in my area or in my company, I felt like my English present style is hard. So that time I am feeling very sad, low. So I'm feeling that I'm not doing anything to improve myself in English. Okay, so it's a temporary time. I am watching particular videos and improving some vocabs, but I don't know where I need to use that particular vocabs because in real time it's a time to represent myself, so that vocabularies are not useful for me. Okay, so everything is a theoretical part, to be very honest, and that's why I am looking for result oriented things. And yeah, that's it. I have created my channel, and yesterday itself my journey started.
That's really great. So do you have any other questions?
Uh, I think all the questions I have already discussed with you. In the last, before concluding this session, could you please give me your valuable feedback? Like after listening me, what kind of image or particular thing come up in your mind? What kind of standard I am having in English in your point of view?
Well, I could say your English language is, really good, and I also like your voice.
Amazing. Yeah. All right. Any suggestion for improvement?
For improvement.
What's true according to you?
I didn't get it.
All right, nothing. I was just saying to you, any improvement scope, like what should I do for improve my English according to you?
Okay, let me give you some tips. So there are 5 in number. I have a YouTube channel of that too. I mean a YouTube video. The first tip is start thinking in English. It means you have to make some words and sentences in your mind and start practicing them. But how do you get those words and sentences? You can make them up in your mind, and maybe if you're anywhere in any place, you can make some words or sentences and practice them. First, you have to go with the words, then you have to go with the sentences. The second tip is Stop talking in a mirror yourself in a mirror. Sometimes we feel a little nervous while talking to others, so it's good if you talk to yourself in a mirror. You can speak to yourself on any speech or topic. This tip is also good for body language. You can also use your mobile and make a video, and you can check how good have you done.
All right, I agree.
The third tip is start talking to children. This tip is, I think, for grown-ups.
Yeah, like you.
But why should we talk to them? It's because they're so young, they won't judge you, they won't misguide you, they won't do anything to make you less confident. You can discuss with them on any topic if you like. And if you have any children in your home, you can just try to practice with them. Or if you're a teacher, you can talk to one child, or child is your student, so on any free time. And you can also use some social networking sites to talk to other children, like what other people are doing to me on Skype.
Yeah, I totally agree with you and I appreciate your valuable suggestion and tips. I definitely work upon it.
The fourth tip is start talking to other beginners. You might also know that reason. It's because they're also learning English, you're also learning English. They'll only tell you where you have doing mistakes, and you'll also check where they're doing mistakes. Because so they also have learned something by now. And they also might check where you're doing mistakes, and this way you can also improve English, and especially them.
All right.
In the fifth tip, you can talk to advanced people because now you've got your confidence, and in that way you'll feel even more confident and advanced.
Yeah, I agree with you. Great. All right. So it was very nice to talk with you, Arna, and I appreciate your valuable thoughts for sharing me whatever you said. I will definitely think about it. And yeah, in future, definitely we'll talk again. Right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. So can we disconnect the session?
I think yes, because I have to do some other work too.
Yeah, definitely. You can take your time and thank you so much for your valuable time. Okay, Arna. Bye. Have a good time.
Have a good time too. Bye.